Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Mastery channel. Today we are going to explore um, a comprehensive guide for cloud engineers like identity access management. So that session we'll explore today. As a cloud engineer, we are the front end of innovations and what kind of tools we are using in AWS that we should know in respect of building what kind of environments we need to build, what kind of environments we need to manage over there, and how can we optimize those solutions in respect of AWS. So in this comprehensive guide, I will share a few understanding today about identity and access management part. So let go with the understanding of what exactly cloud engineer need to be learned from AWS. For example, if you want to start a career, you are a fresher, either you are a college pass out, either you are from management, senior management, uh, any kind of project management role or thing. So you need to be know about some basic understanding on cloud. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to handle it the cloud operations and what are the roles you will be having in future, right? So uh, let talk about the AWS. So you can see here AWS offers 200 comprehensive cloud services, which many companies are using over there. It could be startups, it could be enterprise, or it could be government agencies are using over there globally. And everyone is aware like AWS is a leading market of cloud environment, right? So AWS is almost, I can say, 30-40% market is captured with the AWS only. So how can we relevant with the cloud ops, right? So suppose you are just college pass out, either you are searching a job in cloud environment, either you are experienced in different skill set like Linux or any application background, and you want to explore cloud environment, then what kind of services you need to be learn. So that session we are bringing here day by day. So this is the second session after my previous introductory, what are the introduction we have done it. So please have a look on the introduction part also. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and you can see that video in this channel. And how can we real time monitor, how can we monitor those real time, and how can we improve the operations. So that also we'll learn here after a few basic sessions. Okay, so if I say about a IAM, so IAM is a security service, I can say, for authentication and authorization, right? So these are things have to be understood when you start to working on the AWS environment. So we can achieve more on this, like in respect of security elements. IAM is the backbone, if I say, in security in cloud, ensuring that our environment should be protected and easy to manage, right? So AWS is a free service, so it's not chargeable. You can work on the AWS IAM service to create a user role and policies. This is free of cost. There's no charges, and IAM allow us to manage user authentication and authorizations. So that ensures like only authorized person can be use your environment, what environment you are managing over there. And also uh, what are the permission and policies we are having in respect of granular access, that can be go with the multiple way in AWS. I will talk about organizations in next slide. So AWS organization is there, AWS SSO is there, so that kind of access also we have the centralized way, centralized user management also we have. So I'm just giving you one sample code references here. If you see in right side, this is the code reference I used with Boto3 library. That is a Python library which we can use to write one script here there. So you can see I just create one user, create IAM user. You can see I created one user and then I attach one policy with S3 bucket. S3 bucket name is a sandbox123, and I put slash star. Slash star means you can access any files, what files fall under this bucket, right? And I put here if you see actions, right, action s3 dot star. So I doesn't specify only for get output or put output. I just mention a star, so you can do anything with this bucket. Either you can upload, either you can download the files from this sandbox 1, 2, 3. So this is the way we can learn more on this IAM part. Okay. If any questions, then please put your comments. I will try to answer that questions. Moving to next one is about organizations. So organization service is mainly to manage your multiple accounts. For example, uh, in my experiences, I have seen many accounts, many clients like having multiple accounts, pre-production, production, sandbox, development, quality. Um, somewhere you need to manage 20 accounts, somewhere you need to manage 50 accounts also in your environment. So you should know what is mean of OU, what is mean of nested OU, what is member accounts, what is security account, delegated accounts, how we can delegate AOU for the particular service name. So that is the way we can use for AWS organizations for consolidate billing, centralized governance. On these area we can talk about AWS organizations. We can apply the policies across accounts to enforce compliance and optimize cost as well. So if I put one example here, the security account. So you can delegate one account as a security, and there you can enable native services, guard duty, inspector, WAF. uh, so whenever you will create new accounts, automatically that account will having this type of services because you have nested or those are used with the security accounts, right? So this is the way we can use it. uh, Organizations here, AWS organizations. Okay, so let's move to next one is about uh, SSO. This is about SSO single sign-on. So in single sign-on, you can see here, uh, we can simply access all unified login experience. Like, so you can log in from multiple accounts, or there you can log in from multiple accounts in centralized view, and we can improve our security and user experience with centralized SSO access. So in this services also, I can uh, I can use it with third-party software. If you see here, Dropbox, Slack, that that also we have integrated with SSO. So this is up to client requirement. So whatever the requirement you have from client, you can build the environment. Uh, if you are having AD in your on-premises, that is also is possible to connect with your SSO, right? With the AD connector. If you see here the graph, AD connector with AD trust, you can configure it and then you can use it SSO over there. So it's very easy to work on the SSO part to integrate with your Azure AD, either your on-premises AD, and the single user, whatever user used by the on-premises, that simple user, that same user you can use it here uh, in cloud environment as well. And based on the custom application, you can also build your application integration with SSO, like 365, Dropbox, and Slack. So this is the conclusion I can say with the IAM service, organization service, and security service, to multi-account management with AWS organization, centralized SSO access with AWS environment. So these services provide if a foundation, I can say, a foundation of robust and secure cloud infrastructure. So this is the way we can learn more in AWS. So that is my second session in respect of IAM, Identity and Access Management. So please uh, closely work on this area in respect of these three services. First is Identity Access Management, second is AWS Organizations, and third is Single Sign-On. If you understood these services, I can say you can simply uh, go through the environment to understand the environment of cloud operations or cloud engineer works in clients, right? So that is a way you can learn it from AWS. So please let me know if any questions over there. uh, I will try to answer those things in comment section. Also, I will prepare the content based on your topic. So please raise your query and let us know. And once again, thanks for watching this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel. It will help us to make a more video for this uh, journey, for a cloud journey. Okay. And also for next topic, I will cover for compute, more on that in compute services, what kind of compute services we have in AWS, what kind of instance type trending right now with the environment of cloud, right? So I will talk about more use cases as well, which applications need to be consider the instance types. That also will talk in these sessions. Cost optimization also will talk about over there, and what kind of use cases you can bring based on the compute services. And I will cover some few interview question as well. What is uh, currently many MNCs are go through with their revolution time, right? So I will cover on this. Yeah, thanks all. Have a great day. Bye bye.